When it comes to any new tool or software, there's a couple steps that you basically always have to do. The first of these is downloading, activating, and getting everything set up. This video is going to take you step by step through downloading the software, activating your program, and then setting up your MLS so that it's ready to go so that the visual pricing system can do its work and help you price. In order to download your software, the first thing you're going to need is your login information. What you're going to find is the email that looks exactly like this one that's titled, "Your Visual Pricing System is ready for download." In this email, you will find your temporary login information. This is your email that you use to create your account, and this is your temporary password. Now to open the login page, all you have to do is click this button, or go to focusfirst.com and click Login. Now once you're on this login page, you're going to type in that email that you used, as well as go ahead and bring this password over into our login page. Once we've done that, it'll let us log into our home page. Now this home page might look different depending on what our updates kind of change each time, but the buttons that won't change are these two right here. The first button is download the visual pricing system. That's what you're going to want to click to download your software. It will bring you to this first page that asks if you want to do the PC or Mac download. In this case, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click Mac download. Now on the Mac download, this page here is just letting you know that you have to have Office 365 for the Mac to work, as well as the other system requirements. But we're going to scroll down to get to step 1. Now step 1 has the button here that says download the visual pricing system. So I'm going to click that, which will go ahead and download that for us. Now I'm not going to close this window because it has my activation code right here. Now if you have to reactivate your software or couldn't find this activation code, remember that button on the first page also said activate code. So in this case it's right here. But I'm going to go ahead and open up that software that I just downloaded. Click enable macros. And it asks me if I want to activate the program. I'm going to say yes. Now here you're going to have to type in that same email that you used to create your account, and then you're going to type in your activation code. So I've done that and now is activated and ready to use. Awesome. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I will save it just to make sure that activation code stays there. Now the last step in this getting ready process is setting up your MLS. Now every MLS is a little different. So the instructions for how to set up your MLS for your area so that it exports the right fields is a little different for everybody. If you click this button here, this then opens the Mls Export Instruction, talking about what all that means. If you click on this button, it opens up the instructions page. On each of these, if you go ahead and click your link when you find your state and city, it will give you detailed instructions on how to set up and make the changes needed so that your exports will work perfectly with the visual pricing system. Now again, if you need to find your way back to this page, you can always find that on our home page under customer support right here with the link Mls Export Instructions. Once you have that set up, you're now ready to move on to the next step, which is your pricing MLS search and using the visual pricing system and how to actually function with the software.